most important thing in the treatment of melasma is to use to avoid the sun exposure, but we cannot avoid sun exposure. So we need to use something to protect. And the sun protection is really, really important. It's a pillar of the treatment. We know nowadays that the melasma is not only produced by ultraviolet rays, but also by visible light and infrared light. The visible light has to be also controlled with a sunscreen, and also the infrared rays needs to be also controlled. So the regular sunscreens are not going to produce a good result on that. Regular sunscreens with chemicals and all this stuff are not the best for this melasma. The best treatment for the best sunscreen for melasma that contains titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. This is a mineral sunscreen containing also iron oxide that is going to protect against visible light. But the sun protection is not complete if we don't use something that is called antioxidants. Those antioxidants are going to be the scavengers of all these free radicals or reactive oxygen species that are going to protect also against the infrared rays. So in that case, if you use the sunscreen with the antioxidant first, and then you use the sunscreen on top, you're going to have a real protection against UV rays, visible light, and infrared. The other part of the treatment is the topical treatment for the, against the melanocyte tyrosinase. This is also important, and there are so many ingredients. Still, hydroquinone is the gold standard, combined or alone, but it still is the gold standard. Today, we have many other substances that are in the market that can help with the treatment, like let's say kojic acid, tranexamic acid, arbutin. Other guys are in the main in the main street of this treatment, and what is more important is that being melasma chronic disease, it needs a treatment for a long, long time. There is no cure for melasma, but it's a control of the melasma. And the first line of treatment, topical, is the triple combination for melasma, a melasma that is starting. So this is the attack or the initial phase of the treatment. When you have that treatment under control, then you can give a maintenance treatment that could be with different type of substances, like a combination of tranexamic acid with niacinamide or other substances that can be part of the maintenance treatment. So the new developments are, let's say, tranexamic acid has been used as a systemic medication for melasma with good results, or even intralesional, or like a mesotherapy or with microneedling. But lately, some companies they develop a very good tranexamic acid to penetrate the skin as a topical agent, and I think that's a very good news for us. The other thing is the metimazole, that is also one that acts on the melanocyte, producing decrease of the tyrosinase. And the other one is thiamidol. The thiamidol is good also. It was shown to be against the tyrosinase. It's an anti-tyrosinase product. that is helping in the treatment of melasma, topical treatment of melasma, but we don't have it yet in the United States. It's something that is being studied in Germany with very good results, and that also not only good results, but it's the only one that is specifically anti-human tyrosine. So those are the ones that I have as a topical agents.